PayPal, if PayPal can pull back a little bit more,
We broke away from the YC.
then we have a decent place for us to enter.
Orange bars.
Everything's still showing some nice momentum to the upside.
Triple top.
I'm still looking at PayPal, folks.
I'll consider another entry. Oh my God, in the meantime, guys, PTI on the move.
All right, PayPal. We're looking at the what the 96 calls. A little bit wider than I would have expected, but we're sitting right here on the hull.
It's a bit risky, so you can size down here.
Looks like it wants to bounce, yeah. We'll be looking at these things for like 70 cents or so.
So the YCTO is important.
67.72 right now is the market.
Yes, you are still on my radar, big time. I wasn't really watching it as closely, but I finally was looking at it. Alright, I am filled on PTI.
Haven't put anything out there, just looking at it. Want to see a little bit more volume come in here if that's possible. DMI just ticked down, which is making me feel not so great. All right, nothing there.